In this video, I'll be showing you how to use iPhone as remote control on Samsung TV. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can literally do it with literally any phone that you have, whether you're on iPhone, Android, or anything like that. So Samsung actually utilizes something called Smart Things. So on whichever phone you're using, you need to download the Smart Things application. Just type in Samsung Smart Things on the Play Store or the App Store, and then once you go ahead and have it downloaded, just make sure that you're on the same Wi-Fi connection with your phone and of course the TV. So what I want to do is now press allow, and then it's going to say welcome to Smart Things and everything. I can just go ahead and skip all of these things. Now, once I skip everything, what I got to do is go over to devices, and I'm going to see add device. So what I'm going to do is click on that little plus icon right there, and then if it's going to ask you to sign into your account, just quickly sign into your Samsung account. Okay, once you sign in, it's going to look something like this, and it's going to say it's going to send you notifications, yada yada yada. And then what we're going to do is scan nearby, because we want to be on the same Wi-Fi connection. So obviously make sure you turn on Bluetooth. So I'm going to do that right now. And then it might ask you for your microphone. So go ahead and do that. And as you can see, it shows available devices, 65-inch OLED, which in my instance is my phone right there. So all I want to do is go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to say allow Smart Things to use your location. Press allow once. And then it's going to be experience your screen anywhere. So what we want to do is just wait for that to go ahead and finally finish. And then basically we're going to be able to control our TV with your phone. Again, like I said, you can do this on iPhone and Android. And now it's going to say verify your device, check the pin. So in my instance, that's the pin right there. So I'm going to type it in right now. Once you type in the pin, it's just going to be verifying the device, and then you just got to wait for it to come up. Now it says your screen is being added to Smart Things. It says you're registered with Smart Things successfully. So everything is basically syncing up right now. And then that's it. I can now use it as a remote as much as I want. And it's going to ask me if I want to experience things. I'm just going to go ahead and press, skip. And yeah, then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.